are as secretive as they are. They hide their faces. What is normally shown to the public is not what they are. It's only a tip of an iceberg. Nonetheless, government takes pride in their existence, and they are India's #1 special force, the Black Cat Commandos of the National Security Guards. Raised in 1984, NSG is a successful experiment that our lawmakers initiated in the aftermath of assassination of former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. And the experiment was a new concept of a special force in India that would be a meeting point of the best warriors from the Indian Army and selected cream of soldiers from the Central Armed Police Forces, otherwise known as the paramilitary forces. The purely army units in NSG are known as Special Action Groups. There are two of them. The 51 Special Action Group specializing in anti-terrorist warfare scenarios, and the 52 Special Action Group, a dedicated band of special force dealing specifically anti-hijacking terrorist acts. Soldiers joining NSG from CAPFs fall in three ranger groups, number 11, 12 and 13. Their primary task, providing vital cover to action groups in combat situations and also providing security cover to threatened individuals having Z+ security cover.
आर्मी में मैं बहुत सारे कोर्स कर लिया हूँ और सब में मैं अच्छी ग्रेडिंग अचीव किया हूँ और एनएसजी की पूरी ट्रेनिंग अपनी पलटन से तैयारी करके आया हूँ और एनएसजी का ट्रेनिंग बहुत हार्ड है, मुझे पता है, फिर भी मैं कोर्स कर लूँगा।
After the cowardly attack by a Pakistani terrorist on innocent citizens of Mumbai on 26 November 2008, the role and management of NSG was revised. From the quarter guards of the special force located at just one location at Manesar in Gurgaon outside Delhi, the National Security Guards now has 5 regional hubs located at Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, Ahmedabad and of course at Mumbai.
We feel
and to train these warriors to face terrorists head-on during the first golden hour of an incident is not an easy task, both for the trainers as well as for the graduating Black Cats. While we were recording these scenes,
standards of endurance, agility, and coordination.
A recent revision in Black Cat operations had given a new direction to this elite special force. According to highly placed sources in the defense establishment, emphasis is now on to capture the terrorist alive. To achieve this target, NSG's Black Cats train hard for the real thing. This is their kill hut. The replica is close to a real-time scenario where action is. Terrorists had just holed up and taken hostage, and NSG has been called in. A hit team, otherwise known as Hostage Intervention Team, is scrambled to action station. They strike from two sides. Speed and surprise is the byword. NSG is now loaded up with the latest gadgets that money can buy. Without entering into the hostage room, Black Cats with help of gadgets get a fair idea of what's happening inside the hostage room. This slider has sharp eye, a very good camera connected wirelessly. And this is the number one choice of Black Cats, a roller ball with many eyes. Black Cats are smart. They know how to eliminate terrorists without coming into line of fire. Simply a corner shot gun is deployed. The barrel is turned into a 90 degrees angle. Black Cats now can see everything from over the corner. Within milliseconds, corner shot gun is fired, target eliminated. Bullseye shot, undetected. This is a corner shot gun, favorite for special forces and for the first time on Indian television.
NSG Commando is expected to respond to situations with exceptional preparedness and firing. For this, they must be endowed with firing and weapon handling skills. Here in NSG Training Center Manesar, various fighting practices and targets are designed to check the trainees on various parameters. Should they fail to achieve the desired standard, they will be deemed as not qualified for the field.
A ferocious canine is also part of the hit team.
बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से कर रहा है और समय समय पर अपनी योग्यता और उपयोगिता भी सिद्ध की है।
Best snipers from Indian Army are now with the National Security Guards. This is a sniper's dream gun and the world's best. Its bullet goes up to a kilometer distance. For good 700 yards, it should be in straight line like a laser beam. From outdoor to indoor shooting, and these are special black cats of the elite. 52 Special Action Group raised for resolving anti-hijacking situations. This is a super special and state-of-art underground shooting range. A commando at anti-hijacking unit is brutally trained, rather very badly. They have to be notch above the bad guys to teach them a lesson of their lifetime. The chief instructor is a gifted Krav Maga warrior, a hand-to-hand fighting technique that special forces from Israel had mastered as an effective faculty of a killing machine. A Krav Maga soldier is in reality a special force commando who had mastered all the fine nuances of boxing, wrestling, aikido, judo and karate. A 5-in-1 warrior, a Krav Maga soldier. World's best armored assault vehicle has been procured specially for 52 SAG to be used in any contingency with regard to storming into an aircraft. From a standard size Airbus to a big one like Airbus 380, all factored into future requirement of NSG's anti-hijacking unit. This special intervention vehicle can stretch to all heights.
The weapons and equipment which we select have been tested for their effectiveness the world over, and we only pick the best of the best for this force. Particularly in the last few years, we've had some wonderful acquisitions, such as the Mars vehicle, the specially equipped Sherpa, and a lot of small nano surveillance devices, particularly in the field of drones. One capability which the force has acquired has been the capability to detect UAVs.
Recently, NSG has raised a new version of Marine Commandos. This small unit will not wait for Indian Navy's Marcos commandos to arrive at the combat scene. In an hour of need, the Marine Black Cats will strike and strike hard. These waterborne Black Cats have all the necessary wherewithal to go underwater and overpower the enemy killingly. This new added dimension in NSG has given another set of teeth to this special force. freshwater or seawater. These NSG Black Cat Marines are now an integral part of India's best known contingency federal force. The regional hubs have additional responsibility to train special armed constabularies in different states.
Our main purpose SOP which has been worked out with the NSG is basically for the mobilization of the commandos from the sea route. When all the routes are blocked at the time of hostilities, when the terrorist attack takes place in Mumbai, that time we mobilize them from sea routes. We drop them at the situational position for injecting the commandos.
We have also had a change in the philosophy of the city philosophy that now the NSG carries, is that we are not there to go and replace any or take over from any state police. We are there to go and assist the state police to fight this war together.
At the Mumbai hub, Black Cat Commandos have a very special and emotional attachment with the commercial capital of India. Special for RSTV, this is a near real situation mock drill in the metropolis, Mumbai. Message to charge has been received. Orders to move out. The city of Mumbai has prepared a green corridor. City traffic will come to halt to give right of the way to NSG, as first hour is crucial. Strike force must reach location ASAP. Today a message has come from Mumbai's swanky T2 terminal at the Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport. NSG takes position and clears the threat.
Sabhi hubs have been allotted an area of responsibility which is around the hubs, and उनका जो major responsibility है of course to respond to any terrorist strike in that particular area of responsibility as quickly as possible. Similarly, a vital sea link is also sealed by Black Cats.
snipers are placed at high points. Gunners give full protection and cover to the ceiling. Number 26 of the Special Composite Group of the NSG had just made sure that whatever happened in Mumbai in 2008 simply cannot be allowed to happen ever again.
After the 26/11 attack in Mumbai, and it was raised just